Thank you for showing up. Thank you. I was about to say thank you, Sacramento, because he's been in Sacramento for quite a while now. Well, thank you so much for coming, guys. We're called Bongola, all the way from Zimbabwe. Yeah. We're coming here to enjoy with you guys. We want to dance with you. We want to have fun with you tonight. Are you guys ready for that?